Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites: power, network, and admin access. Once confirmed, log in using your admin credentials. If you need 2FA, complete that now. Connect via SSH, Serial Console, or the device web UI depending on what the system supports. Make sure to note the device model and serial because commands can vary by model. Begin with a read-only inquiry command to avoid changes. This protects production systems while you gather version info. Once connected, you'll inspect system details methodically. Start with OS-level commands like uname and release files to get kernel and distribution versions. That explains the base environment. Then query package managers or application-specific binaries to list installed package versions, because installed software can differ from firmware. After that, examine running services and firmware info to find microcode or embedded components. Make sure to capture exact command output and timestamps so you can correlate versions across subsystems. To finish, you'll record and verify what you found. Save command output to a timestamped log and annotate each entry with the command you ran. Then compare reported versions to vendor documentation or your inventory to spot discrepancies. If something's unclear, increase command verbosity, check system logs for related errors, or query secondary components. If those steps fail, collect logs and contact vendor support. One key troubleshooting tip: if commands return insufficient,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.